Welcome guys. So in this video, we are trying to prove the famous 22 divided by 7, which is greater or pi. Okay, I already write down the notes, right? Because the computation somehow is very ugly. So I try to provide as detailed as possible. So our starting point is this function, right? This function is greater or equal to 0 at 0 to 1, and it's 0 at 0 and 0 at 1, but positive at the open interval 0, 1. So you can expand this 1 minus x to the power 4 to be this one. So this is a binomial expansion. X to the power 4 minus x to the 3 plus 6 to x cubed, x squared minus 4x plus 1. Right. So if you just times x to the power 4 for each term, the first term will get x8 minus x7 plus 6x6 minus 4x5 plus x to the 4. And then you do the so-called long division. Okay. So the computation detail for long division is this, right? So you starting from x to a 6, right? You times x to a 6 to this, you get this, right? And then you use this term minus this, so you get this one. And then you minus x 4x to a 5th, so you get this one. Then you use this minus this, right? So you get 5x to a 6. Yeah, plus. So this term cancel, right? And these two terms cancel, and plus x to the 4th, right? And then so the next term is 5s to the 4th because this is 5, right? So you go 5x to the 6 plus 5x to the 4th. So it's minus x to the power 4th. And you get x squared, x to the power 4th, right? You get this one. The next term is this. So finally, so up to now you get 4x squared, right? And then you add 4, so you get 4x squared plus 4. Then you minus, right? So the remainder is negative 4. Okay. So this is your results. We just put all of these and its remainder. Okay, remainder is minus 4, negative 4, 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, so the first term is x to the 6. The integral is x to the 7 divided by 7, and right, 2 times x to the 6 divided by 3, and that's x to the 5 minus 4 divided by 3x to the cube plus 4x, and then minus 4 tangent x, right? Arctangent x, because 1 plus x squared is arctangent x. So we start from 1 and 0. Okay, so you plug 1, then you get this. I just take out all the coefficient, and for arctangent 1, arctangent 1, right, is 45 degrees, so you get let's say pi over 4, right? Pi over 4. So it's minus pi, and then you put x equals 0, then everything is 0, right? Because this is polynomial of x. Okay, and then combine all of it, you get 21. This is 3 minus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 84. So if you compute carefully, it should be 66 divided by 21 minus pi. Okay, so you divide by 3, you get 22 divided by 7 minus pi, which is greater or equal to 0. Okay, so yeah, this is the proof. Okay, so hopefully you guys feel satisfied, and I will see you guys in the next videos.